Welcome. We'll talk very briefly about a skincare routine. Fabulous 6 tips. I just came across a medical journal article. Very long article. I'm summarizing it for you to keep with my philosophy of back to basics. Please follow this, especially if you've got if you've got skin problems, if you've got acne, if you've got any other problems, eczema and all of that, and especially if you love to exercise. So firstly, as doctors, we always encourage our patients to exercise. So please remember to exercise. So these tips apply whether you are exercising in the gym, whether you're going out in the park to jog, or wherever you are exercising, whether you're running. But these are to prevent buildup of acne on your face, to prevent blocked pores. Please follow very simple 6 tips, and I'll go through this very briefly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll go through them in order. So it's very briefly, 6 simple steps. Let's get to the first one. The first one, so we know that exercise can improve the health and appearance of your complexion. So exercise is very good, okay, because it gets the blood circulating. The blood circulates, you get a beautiful glow on your face. There's 2 things that give a woman a magnificent glow on the face. One, a woman looks exquisitely beautiful when she exercises. Secondly, a woman looks exquisitely beautiful when she's pregnant. So pregnancy gives this marvelous glow to a woman's face. Alhamdulillah, right? So give in the same way, excuse me, I apologize for coughing so much. In the same way that exercise is very good for your body, I also suggest that you must also look after your skin. So let's not neglect the skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. It's like a cling wrap. But the minute you break it, any small scratch on the skin, germs can get in there, infection can get in there, and all of a sudden you'll see pus developing on your face, on your hand, or on your body, or elsewhere. So look after the skin. It's a very tough organ. It's an amazing organ, but let's look after it. So washing off your makeup before your sweat session isn't necessary. You don't really have to wash off your makeup, okay? So we'll come to that point here about the washing of the makeup, but just some general rules. Just as exercise is good for muscles, it's also good for the health of your skin. One study suggests that both endurance exercise as well as high-intensity cardiovascular exercise may help prevent and reduce signs of aging. So it keeps you looking youthful and beautiful and magnificent. Alhamdulillah. So stress reduction is a key to staying fit. Stress, we know, makes us all get old. Another study noted that exercise can help fight stress. If stress is chronic, then stress can make you look older. You can see a person looking old just on their face. And it can make your skin condition worse, whether you've got psoriasis or acne. So stress can make all of that worse. So please maintain these 6 skincare habits. I'm going to go through these. There's 6 habits for your skin. Maintain it for the rest of your life. Teach it to your children. Teach it to your grandchildren. Go the extra mile. So the habit number 1. Let's start with habit number 1. 6 steps. Marvelous steps. Fabulous steps. Ladies. Also applies to men. Men, come on, men. Ladies. Excuse me. The first step is apply the sunscreen. Right? I don't know if you can see that. So the first step is apply sunscreen before you start exercising. Before you start, even if you're inside the gym, you must remember when the sunlight comes, even if you're standing far from the sun, the indirect UV, as long as there's visible light hitting your face, even if the sun is not directly, you're getting the UV radiation hitting your face. So even if you're inside the gym, you need sunscreen. Even if you're driving inside the car, excuse me, I'm just suffering today. We've got to keep strong. So even if you're in a car, you've got to use sunscreen, right? If you're going outside, don't forget to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30 and above, all right? This is by Dr. Kappa, a board-certified dermatologist. Make sure you use a formula that does not clog your pores, please. A non-comedogenic formula, please. This advice follows even if you're working out in a gym with windows that let light in. So even if you're in a gym, you still got to put sunscreen. Anytime there's visible light, you're exposed to some part of the electromagnetic spectrum. So first thing, apply sunscreen. Second tip. Believe it or not, don't worry about washing off your makeup. So if you're rushing, you're coming off from your office, you're going quickly to the gym, don't worry about washing off your makeup. As long as there's light makeup, start exercising. But if it's a very thick moisturizer, then you must wipe it off. But if it's a light makeup, don't worry. Start your exercise. Because you need to get back to work again. So don't worry about washing your makeup. It's not a train smash, okay? It's okay to skip washing your face before a workout. You'll sweat and it'll get a little bit messy, but don't worry about that. It's not too bad to have. It means it's totally fine to schedule a lunchtime workout and head straight for the treadmill. But one thing you don't want on your face is a heavy moisturizer. So if you've got a heavy moisturizer, then please, that's going to clog your pores. So that one there is that you could need to wash it out. Point number 3, this is very, very important. After you exercise, you must shower, please. You must shower, because now, even though we know we have this athleisure is a thing, athleisure, known as athletic leisure. You can either call it as athleisure or athleisure, but I call it athleisure. It's socially acceptable to sport leggings. The leggings you wear at the gym. What is athleisure? Athleisure is a hybrid style of athletic clothing worn as everyday wear. It looks very smart on women. Athletic wear, you can wear it in the gym, you can wear it when you're going out shopping. The word athleisure is a portmanteau from two words, athletic and leisure, so they call it athleisure. And that includes tracksuits, sports jackets, hoodies, yoga pants, sneakers, tights, leggings. It looks very nice in the gym. It looks very nice outside also. It's acceptable. But remember, the sweat is collecting in there. So you must have a body shower, because the germs are going to get in there, right? So remember, sweating creates a warm and wet environment for bacteria to go. And especially for our women ladies, especially for the ladies, especially in the groin area, by the lips, you can get into the groin, by the thighs, a lot of sweat accumulates. We've seen a lot of patients with vaginal discharges because of the sweat that accumulates in those areas. So please make sure that these areas, remember, it gets very warm, especially when you're exercising, and especially when you're warming hot yoga pants, hot in two ways, hot yoga pants, and please remember to take a shower. So first point, apply sunscreen. Second point, don't worry about washing makeup. Third point, very important, take a shower. But here's the fourth point. Now you must remember, the main thing is to remove the sweat, right? Because if you try to wash contains benzyl peroxide, this is what one of the dermatologists suggests. Benzyl peroxide fights the bacterium known as C. acnes, and the full name for that is called Cutibacterium acnes, and another name is also called Propionibacterium acnes, right? But just don't say, all right, it causes acne, all right? So don't worry too much about that. And this acne germ is an aerotolerant anaerobic gram-positive bacterium. Aerotolerant, that means it loves oxygen. So if you're not going to wash it off, you're going to start getting acne. You're going to break out in acne, right? So if you can't get a chance to shower, sometimes you got to rush back to work. If you can't get a chance to shower, then the least thing you must do, point number 4, at least wash your face. Don't run out of the gym without washing your face, please. If you're really in a rush, grab a wet lap, and as you're running out of the gym, keep on wiping your face out with that wet lap. Please, we need to protect ourselves from acne. We've seen so many beautiful women with deep scars, because the acne can cause deep scars in your face. So please, I always believe in prevention is better than cure. So if nothing else, be absolutely sure to wash your face, and then after that you apply very, very light moisturizer. Very, very light moisturizer. And point number 5, apply a tinted sunscreen when you're done washing off. Dermatologists agree that this constant reminder of putting a tinted sunscreen is very important for the future health of your skin. Sunscreen guards against UV radiation that degrade the collagen, the proteins in the skin. Now, you see the UV light, it degrades the collagen. When the collagen breaks, your skin becomes like this. You get wrinkles. So you must apply sunscreen to prevent all the wrinkles happening. So instead of reapplying a thick sports screen after exercise, just put a very light sunscreen. And last point, just in the same way that after exercise, you got to cool down your body. You walk around a bit, you do stretching just to cool down. Same way, your face is hot, it's full of blood, you are sweating. You need to cool your face down. Please, man, so please remember, you must cool your face down. Wash it with cold water, take a wet lap, cool it down. You must cool down the body, please. The same way you protect your body, you must also protect your skin. So in summary, exercise not only benefits your muscles, it also improves your skin health. So exercise is very, very important. But please remember to include a skin routine, very 6 simple steps. Remember to moisturize your skin, have a lot of water, drink a lot of water, and then protect your skin with non-comedogenic skin sunscreen which does not cause blockage of the pores, and refresh your skin afterwards with cool water. Apply 6 steps again. Apply sunscreen before you exercise. You don't have to wash off your face. Please take a shower. If you can't take a shower, please at least wash your face, and then after that apply a very light moisturizer and sunscreen, and please remember to cool down your face. Look after your skin. You got a fabulous skin. Look after yourself. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.